friends, let's start with today's mushroom and bell pepper recipe. Now I've washed my mushrooms really well, and I'm going to just squeeze, kind of turn the stems like this, and they come out very easily. So you need to take off the stems, just twist them a bit, and they come off very easily. Now wash your mushrooms really well. And try to use fresh mushrooms. I mean, the day you buy them, try to use them up on the same day. Now that I've done with taking off the stems, I'm just going to cut them up into small cubes like this. So using a nice sharp serrated knife, just chop them up like this. This is a very simple recipe, and it's really delicious too. You can have it all by itself also, or as a side dish, or you can have this clubbed up with some garlic bread. Now I have heated up my pan and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I'm using olive oil for this recipe, but if you are using regular cooking oil also, it will do. Now I'm going to add about 4 cloves of garlic that I've chopped fine. Now with olive oil, you don't need the oil to heat up at all. So the minute you add the oil to the pan, immediately add the garlic. Now we're going to saute the garlic. Next, I'm going to be adding 1 medium-sized onion that I've chopped fine. Now saute the onion and the garlic really nicely in the olive oil. If you have olive oil at hand, then use olive oil for this recipe because it does enhance the flavor of this dish. Now I'm going to add the mushrooms, and we need to fry these mushrooms really well. So saute the mushrooms really nicely for almost about 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see that the mushrooms are nicely sauteed. I'm going to add these colorful bell peppers. So I'm gone with the yellow, the red and the green. So I've just chopped them up as you regularly chop up a capsicum. And these lovely colorful bell peppers, they really make the dish look good, and they're really very good to eat also. They've got a lot of health benefits. And now I'm going to add my green regular capsicum that we use. They always say that we eat with our eyes, so when the dish looks really nice and colorful, you feel like eating it. And of course it has to be tasty, which we're definitely going to get to. So now that we've sauteed everything really nicely on a low to medium flame, we're going to add all our lovely, spices and herbs to make it, taste even better. So I'm going to start with about a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now all I've done is just taken peppercorns, roasted them, and ground them to a fine powder. Now I'm going to put some salt to taste. This is some mixed Italian herbs, some chili flakes, and I'm going to mix everything together. So you can add either mixed Italian herbs if you have them at hand, or even oregano. You can just add that to whatever Italian seasoning you have at home. You can use that. Even pasta pizza seasoning will do. Now this is some garlic powder that I have, and of course I'm going to add a little bit of cumin powder. Now if you don't have garlic powder, it's okay, you can skip that. Now all the ingredients will be in the description box below. If you don't have garlic powder, you even get this garlic bread seasoning. You can even substitute that. or if you don't have it, it's okay, you can just skip it. Now I like to have a big collection of all kind of, herbs and herb mixes. So just saute everything really well, and that's it, guys. Your dish is all ready. So you can, like I said, you can have it all by itself. You can just club it up with some garlic bread or some, burnt garlic rice. Enjoy this dish. It's really, really nice.
Friends, I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.